So, a day has ended. Bago matulog, of course, I have prayed my evening prayer. And you know what? Some friend of mine, may pasalubong, Senior Santo Niño. Saan ba yan? Kunin natin. Ito, I have here. So I prayed the Senior Santo Niño prayer. And papaantok. I need this kasi medyo laman na yung hingal. And then later on, iinom tayo ng ating pampakalma. So, good